We kick off the week with an exclusive report. The much anticipated Volkswagen Tiguan has received over 10,000 pre-orders before the launch on 23rd of September 2021. Klaus Zellmer, board member for sales, marketing and after sales, Volkswagen, shared the development exclusively with Car and Bike on the latest episode of Freewheeling with SVP. Zellmer also said that once production is fully ramped up, the company aims to sell about 5,000 to 6,000 units of the compact SUV every month. The Volkswagen Tiguan is the first model from the German car maker to be built on the new MQB A0iN platform under the company's India 2.0 strategy. The car gets over 90% local content and will come with two turbo petrol engine options. The SUV will be produced at the company's Chakan plant in Pune. Ducati India will soon launch the all-new Monster in the country, and ahead of the launch, the company has commenced accepting bookings for the all-new motorcycle. The 2021 Ducati Monster is set to go on sale in India on the 23rd of September. The new middleweight naked motorcycle has been developed from the ground up and gets a fresh new design that looks edgier and meaner. The bike uses a 937cc L-twin Tesla Stretta liquid-cooled engine that develops 110 brake horsepower and 93 Nm of peak torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox with a bidirectional quick shifter. The new Monster is lighter than before, with a dry weight of 166 kg, a drop of 18 kg over the predecessor. It also gets USD forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, Brembo brakes, and 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires. MG Motor India has expressed interest in acquiring Ford's Sanand and Chennai facilities after the American automaker announced its decision to cease local vehicle manufacturing, according to a recent report. The talks between the two automakers, however, are in very early stages, the report suggests. Ford has already announced that it will cease manufacturing vehicles at the Sanand plant in the last quarter of 2021, while operations at the Chennai plant will cease in the second quarter of 2022. MG Motor India had previously approached Ford for contract manufacturing. However, the expansion plans were dropped due to restrictions imposed by the COVID-19 pandemic. MG is reportedly now looking at all options including contract manufacturing as well as an outright sale. The Tamil Nadu state government will provide all the necessary support to the process in terms of approvals, and the asset may attract fiscal benefits, the report states further.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.